Welcome to my channel. I'm Tijani Abagaro, a solution architect. In the previous video, I created AWS VPC. On this video, I will create a tag for VPC. To be more informed on what I will do, it is highly recommended if you can go through the previous video. Thank you. Let us start the tag. Let us go to the VPC class. In the VPC class, define a method which will add a tag to our VPC. So let's say add underscore tag to our VPC. That's it. Then it takes two parameter. Number one, resource ID. Number two, resource name. Let's say resource underscore name or ID if you want to, then resource underscore name. To be more specific about it and to be more clear about it, let me take you to the bottom 3 documentation. I'm here, bottom 3. The bottom 3, search for create tag method. Client, then search for it, create tag. Create tag. Here is create tag. Oh no, this one, not this one. Here is create tag. ec2.client.create tag. Here is create tag. Let us go there. So by using create tag, we are that method we can create a tag. So let us take this one. Take this one. Copy it. Let us use this syntax. Use it here. Okay. Paste it. Control V. Then this one has a return value. It has a return value. Return. Let's say return self dot client dot create tag. Avoid this one. This has a return value. This method has a return value in order to create the VPC, so that we can call this method from the main method in order to create it. All right, to modify, let us remove this one. Remove it. Then it has been taking a string here, the resource. Let us call it resource name or resource ID. I mean a resource ID. Take resource ID here. The tag is a name. What kind of name? Key value pair. Say this one here, name. Here, what is this? Resource name. The value is resource name. That's it. So we can click here. We can comment adding tag to VPC. All right. Then let's come to the main method in order to run it. Give a name. Any name. Let us say VPC underscore name is equal to any name. Let me say Tijani VPC. Tijani is my name. Tijani is my name. Make like this, then give VPC ID here. VPC ID. The VPC ID, you can retrieve VPC ID from VPC. From VPC, you can retrieve VPC ID from VPC. How can you retrieve VPC ID from VPC? Just like that. Take VPC response. VPC response, as you can see from the previous video, I used VPC underscore response. I assigned VPC.create my VPC by VPC underscore response. So from that, we can fetch VPC ID. How? Make it VPC, not this string actually, VPC. Then from that, we need to have VPC ID. All right. Then once we have that, now we can call add VPC method from VPC class. How we can call VPC dot, then here add tag to VPC method. Add tag to VPC method here. It is expecting parameter here, as you can see from here. It is expecting resource ID and the resource name. What is the value of resource ID? It is VPC ID. And also it has been expecting resource name. What is the resource name? VPC name. Here, yeah, that's it. We need to print something to indicate that we are running something like to see actually the output on here. Let us say print adding a tag. Let's say tag space concatenate with a tag give the resource name. This name, then also concatenated, then space to the then space it because okay, to the give the resource ID here, resource ID, adding a Tijani VPC, we can say to this resource ID to this VPC, so that we can see the output from this console here under here. Okay, control save it. Nothing left actually. The only thing we are going to do is to run it. Okay, all right, let us run it. Run it. Yes, we add a tag to our VPC. Here it is, Tijani VPC to this one, to VPC 0 something like this. So come here, let us look to the VPC ID. This is the VPC ID, VPC 0DA something like that. And okay, let us go to the console and check it. Go to the console, VPC, console AWS, console. Let us check it, whether Tijani is added to the specific VPC. Here is Tijani. It is added to VPC 0DA B1. This is the VPC ID, as you can see. This is the cedar block. For all of them are the same. Actually, the cedar block. Here, Tijani VPC is created here. Tijani VPC is created here. So once we have Tijani VPC, we have to check whether it is with this VPC ID. Okay, come here and look at it. B1. As you can see, it is this one, VPC 0 DA, something like B1. Or also it is here, this VPC, this one. The Journey VPC to the VPC ID of the same thing, the same ID we already have in there. So we add tag to the VPC so that we can easily identify our VPC from other VPCs. There are multiple VPCs in there. Thank you. In the next video, I will configure subnet in multi-availability zone. To get more video, subscribe it. Thank you.